And guys, welcome back to another video. I'm actually recording this video before it's released because I'm going on a trip for a few days, so I'm actually recording this early. So, in this video, I'm going to be covering how to make the same GUI that Strongest Battlegrounds has made with the stuff at the top of your screen. And this is something called Top Bar Plus, made by Forever HD, and it is this model right here. I will leave a link to this model in the description below so that you guys can use it as well. So, in top, I have to give credit where it's due. This was made by Forever HD, the same person that created HD admin, admin pads, and all of this stuff right here. Now, let's get into the tutorial. So, I will go into, you need to read me, and then I'm going to delete this just to show you guys what you have to do. To create a new icon at the top of the screen, you have to do icon.new, and then and with that, you can just press enter, go onto a new line, and then press tab. Now, that basically, you can do that, by the way. That's basically what you have to do. Then, that's the new icon created. Now we want it to be labeled. So, icon dot, so we need to do colon, set label, and then the string is going to be tutorial. Then we can set image. Now, this is going to be an image, so I will go to, so to get the image, you need to come to here, on the Creator Store, then you need to go to not fonts, decals. Then, you can refresh it, onto decals, and then all of these decals right here. I am going to use this one, copy asset ID. Now, you need to create a decal here, and paste it into texture. Then you need to copy this texture ID and paste it into here because it is different. Now, if I press play, this will happen. Tutorial with the little glasses icon. This can be selected and deselected. It is the same as this. Now, what do you do if you want to make this a little? When you hover above it, it says a text. And when I hover above this, there is no text. So, to do that, you have to do set caption tutorial and then press play. This will happen like that. But if you want this on the right side of the screen instead of the left, you can use the command align to the right. Press play, and there it is over on the right. Now, if you want this image to appear all the time but this text to only appear when it's selected, then selected like that. Now it is like that, just a little button. Now when it's selected, it will appear, it will largen, and then when deselected, it won't, like that. Now, how do you make a drop down? Set drop down, and then the squiggly bracket, and then like that. Icon.new, turn on set label, and I can set the label to be tutorial. I can set this to be 1, and then I can basically, that's that one. Icon.new like that. Icon.new, and then I can set label to be 2. Now, you can see this is underlined. Add a comma, that will fix it, because it's a list. Then, icon.new, set label 3. And you can set images to this as well, if you want to. Now, how do you make this do something? Basically, we can do it like this. So, for example, I'm going to change this to say kill. and the caption is going to be kill yourself here, and then turn on bind event selected function like that, and then I can add the comma back here. So to kill yourself, you cannot do this in a local script, because otherwise it will not work. You have to do this in the server script. So in the we're going to go into the replicated storage and create a remote event dot called kill, and then server script service script initiate kill, and then in here what we need we can leave this blank for now, and we can come back to the readme. Here we need game.replicated-storage.kill colon fire server. Then the info will need to be the target user. We can set this to be game.players, not local player, like that. This means that this is going to be the variable fire server that we are firing. Now, in the initiate kill, we can do this game.players.playerAdded net function player game.character player.character added turn on connect function and message. And now, not message, char, short for character. Now, game.replicated storage dot on replicated storage dot kill dot on server event colon connect function, and then player, and then this will this means that this will run once the player is added, once the character is added, and then it will wait for when we have the on server event, basically, and that is all how it works. So now, local humanoid, or just hum for short, equals character turn on wait for child humanoid, and then once this happens, we can set this to player.character turn on wait for child humanoid. You have to do it like this. You can't do you can't do character humanoid, because this is we're using this variable right here. Now, humanoid turn dot health minus equals 0. Should work. If not, then there's a bit of an issue here. So this is going to set the health to 0 once this is run. And then here we have the button. If this doesn't work, bit of an issue, because I've done this before. Yeah, there we go. You can kill yourself with that. And you can kill other people as well. But this will only kill yourself. And then 2 and 3 do nothing, because we have not coded that. And that is basically everything that I'm going to be covering in this video. If you guys enjoyed, then let me know what more videos you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.